In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a very large rectangle image into a web-ready square image. I actually have two selected. Here's one, and here's another one. And if you look at the image size, you'll see that they're huge. Now, to make it into a square, simply select the rectangle marquee tool over here on the toolbar, and then under Style, move this to Fixed Ratio, and set fixed ratio to 1:1. This means that no matter what you select, it's going to be a square. So I'm going to make the square as big as I can, and then move this to the area that I'd like it to be. In this case, there. Image, and then crop. Now that we have this, all we have to do is save it as a web-ready image, and to do that, you go to File, Save for Web and Devices, and then select your presets. Here we do want a JPEG, and we want this to be 600 by 600. This is arbitrary. You can set this to whatever you like, whatever it sets it to. It adjusts the image to match your presets. So here I'm going to do 600 and save. And see what that looks like. There you go. Now for the other one, this poses its own problems. Here we already have the fixed ratio set. This poses its own problems because it's not tall enough. And to make it tall enough, we're just going to make a temporary Photoshop file with this image. So I'm going to select all, copy, I'll show you here, copy, then create a new Photoshop file. But I'm going to set the width and height to match. So make this 3583. Again, this is going to make a massive file. And I just pasted that, so select all, paste it here. Now here's your square image, basically. Don't pay any attention to the blank spaces, because when we save it as a web-ready file, you can just ignore that. It's going to render the background into white. So change this to 600. And there's your image. So save this. I'm going to do this as 2. Now you have two square images from the two rectangle images. Yay.